Right guys, oh, it's blinded me. Okay guys, morning. It's not too bad. There's a slight breeze puffing up, so I thought if I can get this thing in the air before things start getting turbulent, it'll be a good try. So it's the maiden of my little stunt plane, and we'll see how we get on. So I'll settle down. Made a dolly, by the way, a little takeoff dolly the plane will sit in. And this is it, my friends, as Robert would say. Flies. Flies fast, which is good. That's hands off. Right, let's try a little bit of elevator. Got to try a loop sometime. What I'm thinking is I'll climb a bit and do a dive, or just go for it. Let's go full throttle, and here it comes, and loop. Oh, potential. Oh, 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 it's cut the throttle. Oh, had to land in the dirt. I haven't got my elastic band in the line actually. That's okay. It's the dolly. Let's pop that back on there. Yeah, I haven't got the rubber band on the line, so it's snapping a little bit. Should I go and get it? Worked well last time, didn't it? Let me go and get it. Have to readjust my takeoff ramp now. I'd like to, oh, that was full up elevator then. I'd like to try and get a bit of inverted going, but to do that I've got to do half a loop. Let's get some speed up and climb a bit. Oh, that's not. Let's just try full up. Oh, no. Oh, I cut the throttle then because, oh, I think I've lost my motor there. Okay, it would hit the ground there, wouldn't it? Okay, no damage, just got to pop that motor back in. Okay guys, attempt number 2. I've increased the elevator throw as much as I can, and I've glued the motor back in, giving it a little bit more right thrust. So let's set you up and see how we get on this time. God, wind. That's it. I'm flying on full up at the moment. Well, not full up. Oh, it's getting its speed up now. Let's try loop then, ready? Oh, not yet. Every time I pull full up, not a lot happens. See if I can get some height. Dive. That was full up. Let's get some height again. Dive. Full up. Now it just mushes It's just mushing, guys. Let's try full up there and well, it's full up, but it just hasn't got the power. Surprisingly, can't quite make it over the. I wonder if I could actually launch inverted. To go this way, will it sit on the dolly? It's going to damage the fin probably. Launch it downhill. Will it fit on the dolly upside down? Will it come off the dolly? That's the thing. Oh, it does kind of fit. Miracle if this works. Fun though. Right, here we go. Go, go, go! I got full down in. Well, that's successful, but it's. I wonder if I could get back up. So if I give full up, feels wrong flying this way round. Oops, oops. Line went slack. Motor's popped out. So back to the drawing board yet again. Oh dear, oh dear. Back to the drawing board. So we know it flies upside down. I was looking forward then to applying full down and seeing if I could half bunt out. Never mind. Let's get back to the drawing board. Get that motor put back in. Only just got off the ground actually, didn't it? Right, okay then guys. So I'm going to glue the motor back in and launch inverted, and then I can maybe pull full up and see if I can get out before I hit the ground. Alright, see you later. Thanks for looking in. Like and subscribe would be cool. Cheers. Okay, here we go again. Oh, it moves around the sky. Right, I'm going to try a loop there. Oh, no. Oh, it's a little bit better. I'll try climbing over here and then, oh, dive. No, it's still mushing on full up. Why does it always hit the ground there? So it's got a lot more pitch control with the rearward centre of gravity, but it's just hasn't got the power to climb out of the climb. That's a fast circuit. Down, full up. Just mushes. What a shame. See, look, if I pitch it up and down, not too far down. I went to dive then to pull up, but hit the ground first. Yeah. Oh. Oh. chewed a hole in the grass there, look. Still, at least the engine motor is pretty well fitted. Try one more circuit, just for fun. And then we'll knock it on the head for tonight. Belts around. That rubber band works really well. When I lose tension, it bounces back. Right, coming into land now. See how the glide is like. Oh, good glide. Start up here. Okay guys, that's it for tonight. There you go guys, great fun. I'm going around the front now to do some clapping. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Subscribe button just there, look. Getting good at pointing at it now. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Got it. It's winding up. Right. No, it won't climb. It's trying. It's nearly there, but not quite. If I just pull in full up, let's get some height. I'll just see if I can get up as much speed as I can, and then whacking full up. Here we go. And up. Try that again. And up. No. Because I've got no rudder to pull me back out of the circle, so if a line goes slack, I can't feather it back out. If I can go round inverted, can I launch? Got it off the dolly yesterday inverted. Can I launch inverted there? So I can get in the down elevator. That's full throttle. It's not going to do it. I think the battery's fading. That's a shame. Dolly take off forwards. At least the CG is back where it should be. Ooh! And full up. Out. Certainly quicker than the other models. Okay, I'm going to land a fly inverted. Now I'm going to try full down elevator, see if that's shouldn't be any different at all. Ooh, nearly struggled over. Let's get some speed up again. Next one, and full down. Oh, do you know what I did there? I pulled enough elevator. Always happens on the mud. Still, it's a tough little bird. Let's move that CRG back slightly. It's about there. Got a muddy top now, look. This is my last charged battery, so. I'm going to gently climb, then I'm going to dive and a full down. Oh, oh, battery's fading. I was hoping to get on the strip. That's like hitting the front of an aircraft carrier. Okay. Well, if nothing else, chaps, it's fun. I don't think it's going to actually pull out inverted. Just doesn't quite have the power to get up around. Must take a huge amount of extra power, which I don't think this one's quite got. So I think as regards a stunt plane, not very successful, but as regards a fun aeroplane, it whips around pretty quick, 100%. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.